We cannot have democracy where rule of law gets capsized. We cannot have democracy thrive if provisions of law are ignored. And same is with respect to State Finance Commission. State Finance Commission's only job under the Constitution of India is to give recommendations to the governor. The last State Finance Commission did not give any recommendation to the governor. And the government recommended the same very people for being appointed. He asked the government to give me reasons why these lapses have been overlooked, who are responsible for it. Honorable Chief Minister has her own perception about the role of the governor. According to her, the governor cannot call officials. She could not be more wrong. Under the Indian Constitution, under Article 166(3), rules of business have been formed. The direct liability of the officials to make available inputs to the governor without reference to anyone. There is 100% failure on that count. In her last communication, which I am yet to reply, I delayed because of festive season and her health concerns. I cannot ever imagine that an experienced Chief Minister would carry this impression by writing she is prepared to make available information I seek. Nothing could be farther from fact than this. I had asked her to make available to me pandemic purchase scam report, 2,000 crore scam. Inquiry was started by her. She constituted a 3-member committee headed by Alapan Bandyopadhyay. The other member was the present Chief Secretary, Dr. Dwivedi.